This is an example in which we will use the Fill Standard Cases feature of Quick Pallet Maker to fill a display case horizontally. The first step is to open the Standard Cases and Pallets window. Here we will see that we have created a box in its own class with the following dimensions: 380 by 370 by 247 millimeters. We will use them as internal dimensions. Next, we open a new datasheet with a Fill Standard Cases option. We will see the summarized window in which we have the primary packages, and we have specifications for the cases that we want to fill. Next, we will copy the data from a spreadsheet and paste it. We have added two primary packages. One of them has 11 packages, and the other one has 12, for a total of 23. We select them both, and we deselect the length. We don't want them standing up. Next, we pick the type of box that we want to fill, which is orange, the type of display tray, which is horizontal. We leave the flute as is, and add some slack to make sure that the boxes fit, that the primary packages fit. Next, we will change the method. BT stands for bottom to top. BF stands for back to front. Finally, we use the Tools Recalculate feature. And we obtain a box. We select it, and we see that it's empty. We click with the right button, and we use External Box View. We will see the contents in the box. We can also see a 2D drawing, and we see that we have both items there. Next, we move the window to the side, and we open a new datasheet, Box on Pallet. Here we will use the box that we created, and we will fill the pallet. We select the Euro pallet 1.2 by 0.8 meters. We adjust the height to 2.2 meters, and we drag the box that we created. Next, we use Tools, Recalculate, and we obtain 3 different types of pallets. Since the one we want is a display pallet, we selected Display Box Length, click on Go, and we have the pallet we want. Next, we will generate a report. From the window menu, Detailed Report, and we see our summary. We have the primary package, we have the pallet, and we have the box. We can click on it, change the drawing. At the bottom, we have something new, which is a primary package information. It does not fit here, so we have the list of items that we have packed in this box.